know you that I'm gonna tell you about how the airplane's gonna be, and then I'm riding an airplane, and then I'm going to the Istanbul, play to the snow, and now I'm gonna show you how to get onto the airplane. See this? This is how that works. So but if you want to close this, you shall use this thing. Hope you know. It's meaning for if you don't want to see the sun or you don't want to see the view, you need to close the window. See how it works? It actually is so cool. I'm so cold in here. So cold. Actually, if you want to do something, if you want to take breakfast, you shall take this. This is a table. If you want to take a breakfast, this breakfast meaning that you want to eat your snack. You don't want, so just do this. It's good for your body because it's helping you, or you want to be far or close. It's making your body hungry or not hungry. It's making you a nice secretive. You want to look this? You want to look this? And then you're gonna see this. This is the country. Bye bye, kids. Thank you for riding the airplane. It's time to get up. Sorry, so sunny in there. Yeah, I really have to try scared of this. Bye.